Right, okay, so we want to work out the height of a box. So that looks like Pythag for sure. So what I'm going to do first is use your labeling conventions here. So we've got A and B. I'm going to call this C. So what we want is to work out the height of the box. So we want BC. So we want BC. Or we can use Pythag to do that because we can work out AC. When you've done that, you've called it 12.8. I'm going to leave it in surd form. So I'm going to say AC squared equals 8 squared, because you're thinking of this right angle triangle by here. So it's 8 squared plus 10 squared, which is 64 plus 100, which is 164, which makes AC the square root of 164. And I'm just going to leave it like that for now. Okay, rather than working it out as 12.8, I'm going to leave it. So this is 164. Right, then what I'm going to do, I want BC. Now, do we know that this is 14? Yes, we do. We know that's 14. Okay, happy days. So let's see what we want. If I draw the triangle ABC, I'm going to write in what I know and what I want. So I know AB is 14, I know it's right angled, and I know that AC is root 164. Okay, so we want BC. Now BC is one of the shorter sides. So I'm going to do the longest side squared, take away the other shorter side squared using Pythag. So I'm going to say BC squared is equal to 14 squared minus root 164 all squared. So BC squared equals, right, 14 squared is 196. Take away the square root of 164 times itself. So I get 196. Take away, now root 164 times root 164 is 164. So I've got to take those away. So I've got to do 196, take away 164, which is, I should be able to do it in my head, 32. Should have been quicker than that. So BC squared equals 32. So to get BC, I'm going to do the square root of 32. They want us to simplify this into the form A root B. So I'm going to think of the biggest square number that will go into 32, which is going to be 16. So BC is going to be the square root of 2 multiplied by 16, because 2 goes into 32 16 times. This gives me the square root of 2 times the square root of 16, which is just square root of 16 is 4, so that means BC is 4 root 2.